Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna unbox the Pixel 5 5G from Google. Or before I get into this unboxing, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Yes, that is the Pixel 5 5G in front of you. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, go over the specs really quick. But I need to give a shout out to Google for actually sending this to me for a review. Made by Google, hashtag teampixel, hashtag gift from Google. Man, I can't believe they actually sent me out those three items in front of you. Yes, the Pixel 5. But to my surprise, they also sent out Pixel Buds, which I was actually going to buy a couple days ago. I almost bought these a couple days ago. Then they also sent out the case for the phone also. So shout out to them for actually sending it to me. But we're definitely going to do a quick unboxing, go over the specs. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna put these on the side. I probably will do a separate unboxing of both of these devices. Shout out to Google Hyperspeed Helper. But here is the phone itself. Nice packaging from Google. They do make it easy to unbox. Hashtag teampixel. I already kind of unboxed it, but oh, look, 5G. Look at that green color. Which I think, oh, that green is nice. Compared to the cloud mint of the Samsung S20 FE. But this is a nice looking phone. Yes, the different color power button. Let's see what else they get in the box. You get books and stuff. Do you actually read it? Look, a SIM card injecting tool. You get your USB Type-C cable. You get the transfer cable in there. And then the 18-watt fast charging brick. Plain and simple, not too much. But y'all came for the phone, so let's take a look at the phone again. Put this on the side. Ooh, I like that green. Yes, this is the sage color that they sent to me for review. But let's go over the phone. There's the power button. You have the volume rockers. At the bottom, you have the microphone and also the speaker, the USB Type-C. The SIM card slot is right there. There you go. At the top, another microphone. No, it does not have a headphone jack. All right, so let's go over the specs really quick. I'm gonna see if it has any juice. It does. So while that is turning on, let's go over the cameras really quick in the back. So you do have a 12.2 megapixel camera in the back. Then Google added the 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. They did take away the telephoto lens from the Pixel 4 XL. Now they have the ultra wide, which a lot of people should like, because that was one of the biggest complaints on the Pixel 4 XL, is that it did not have an ultra-wide lens. So this one actually does now. It comes with the Snapdragon 765G processor, a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. It comes with 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. The rear cameras can shoot in 4K up to 60 frames per second. We'll definitely test out the cameras coming up. The front does have a 8 megapixel front camera. Look at that. So 8 megapixel front camera. Google is always known for their cameras, their photos, and then the video on the 4A was an excellent video shooting camera. I actually use that on a couple of my videos for my YouTube channel. It does have water resistance on here, IP68 rating, also while it's charging. So you get all of that for $699. All right, so let's do some comparisons because I know people want to see it against the Pixel 4a. Here's the 4A. Check out the skin I have on there. Which one's taller? The Pixel 5 is a little taller. It's about the same width though. Man, what y'all think? The bottoms look the same. So the 5 is a little bit bigger than the 4A, but look at that. That's a great combination. So I have the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. It's going to be, look. I will definitely be putting a comparison together with these two phones. They are both $699 right now. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me on the Pixel 5. I will definitely try to make them, but this was just a quick unboxing discussion of the specs on the Pixel 5. Stay tuned to the channel. I will definitely have more videos coming up. I will post some photos on my Twitter and also on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos on the Pixel 5 5G. Also make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.